Day 2, let's go. Clever, isn't it? See how long it takes to fill as well.
There's going to be a lot of driving this week, isn't there?
Plenty of driving. Port Louise, plenty cook tomorrow, and then to Omar in Northern Ireland Thursday. That's quick, by the way, it's a quick pub. Hiya. Couple of errands to run this morning. Get some super glue for the mic because that broke the other day. Get an SD card reader, and then we're on to the ploughing match for day 1. We're going to get there about 10 o'clock, and then we've got a bit of a wander around, and then we'll meet in Welsh Government on stand, I forget the stand number, but get a photo, do a bit of networking, and then we'll have a look around the event. It's going to be a good day. Stay tuned. You excited?
Hi, yes, I'm really excited. Woo!
This is one of the best ideas I've seen in a long time.
Oh my god, it's like layers of what you can have. Pizza, and then coffee, and then an ice cream.
Hey guys.
Morning, you okay?
Should I be smiling here?
I mean, you can be if you want.
Let's test the turning circle out of this car.
Oh, look at that one, the big bin.
No, that is just a bin. Thank you. Have you got an Instagram or social media?
We have, yeah. It's Camping Grind Coffee.
Have a good day, thank you very much. Coffee secured.
A black pudding pizza. That sounds awful. Well, cheers, mate.
Camping Grind coffee, sensational.
Extremely good.
Recommended for plastics.
Yeah, perfect.
Good news, we submitted.
Here you go. Hi!
Go on then.
Hi! Great news, just received an email from our local Chamber of Commerce to say that we're through to the finalists for Business of the Year for our local chamber. Thrilled to bits. Nominated again. We've been nominated every year since 2019. Yeah, especially after winning Family Business of the Year with the FSB. So yeah, it's really exciting, and the fact that we're over in Ireland and about to meet the Head of Trade and Investment for the Welsh Government, meeting up with John, I think on Thursday morning at 8 o'clock, and we're trying to schedule a few more meetings with farmers, customers, suppliers whilst we're over here. So it's a really exciting start to the trip over in Ireland. Yay!
Does it make you happy when you take the Defender off road?
Happy. It's going to be so busy, isn't it?
It is very busy in here.
Very busy, so we're just waiting now in the tent of Teargas. So it's Agricultural Food Development Authority. Got a nice little sim behind us for educational purposes. We're just waiting around now for David, and then we're going to have a group photo, do some networking, and yeah, speak to some people, which is going to be exciting.
What did you just say?
It looks like good grass. It's luscious. Luscious. Just enjoying a nice coffee again. I've got chicken and stuff in wrap.
So where do you boys party?
The important questions.
Yeah.
Did you find anything?
No. We've just finished lunch. Chicken and stuffing wrap was probably about 6.5, 7 out of 10. And had a good conversation and catch up with one of our customers, Jerry. Fantastic to meet him in person. Lots of synergies and various business ideas that we're going to sort of go into fruition with in the coming months and hopefully next year. And now we're just going to have a wander around, see what more there is to see at the show. It's very busy, lots of things to see and do. You can spend the whole week here. But yeah, that's been good.
Has it got Apple CarPlay?
Yeah.
Sold.
I'll take it. 3 mil, bit of calcium. Well, what an experience. Ploughing Championships done. I met some great people, did some great networking. Lots of things to go and put into place and plan. Yeah, we're just going to head back to the hotel now, catch up on some emails and plan for tomorrow. Yeah, overall fantastic day. Any thoughts, Mum?
Brilliant! Lovely to meet you. Hi! No, great first day over in Ireland.
All in all, a very good day. Obviously I was just kind of filming a lot of the things, so...
Did a great job.
Huh?
Did a great job, I may add.
Yeah, we're going to head back to the hotel now, chill for a little bit, drink a pint of Guinness probably. See you later.